Welcome back to Speak Smart, the show that explores language and communication through a linguistic lens. I'm Tanisa, and today we're asking, what's the first thing people notice about you when you speak? Is not your words, is not your ideas, is actually your voice. It's just half a second. Listeners start forming opinions about you, your confidence, trustworthiness, even your intelligence, based solely on how you sound. Let's explore the science behind this. According to research from Yale and Princeton, people make social judgments from voices in less than a second. These impressions often center on three key traits. 1. Competence. Do you sound like you know what you're doing? 2. Warmth. Do you sound friendly and approachable? 3. Dominance. Do you sound confident or in control? What's wild is that these judgments are often non-conscious and unshakable, even after a long conversation. Several vocal features contribute to these snap judgments. For example, your pitch. A lower pitch is often associated with authority, while a higher pitch with friendliness, but also nervousness. Your pace. Speaking too fast can feel anxious. Too slow might seem unsure. The sweet spot is about 150 words per minute. How about your intonation? A rising tone at the end of a statement or an upspeak, well, that may sound uncertain. But if you vary it a little bit, melodic intonation keeps listeners engaged. And volume. Too quiet, you lose authority. Too loud, you lose your warmth. Now, can you change the impression you give? Absolutely. Voice training is a real field, used by politicians, actors, and even executives. Here are 3 simple ways to improve your vocal presence. 1. Record yourself and listen back. You'll notice things you can't even catch in the moment. 2. Practice diaphragmatic breathing to support a steady, confident voice. And 3, warm up before important conversations, just like a singer would. Our voice is like our audible handshake. It introduces us, sometimes even before we speak actual words. But the good news is not fixed. With awareness and a little training, you can make your voice not only heard, but felt. Thanks for tuning in to Speak Smart. If you liked today's episode, follow, share, or leave a review. And remember, your voice matters, so let it reflect your best self.